Hello, I'm Richard Gerhardt. Welcome to Body of Energy. On this video, I will be demonstrating the Ultimate Expansion tile set with the Element tool. Thank you. So our Ultimate Expansion is a set of 54 words that are progressive in nature. Their characteristics and attributes. Each word has a companion word associated with it. So, honest is connected to the word loyal, forgiveness, mercy, sacrifice, obedience, meek, teachable, fair and just, equity, conscience, contrite spirit, friend, and peacemaker. So that's the nature of the Ultimate Expansion. So it's an excellent way to enhance our card decks, our tile sets, the way our tools work. So on this demonstration, I'll be showing you how it works with the Element tool. So our standard card decks and tile sets have 108 cards or tiles. And this Ultimate Expansion has 54. So it represents 1/3 of the overall deck. So the deck moves up to 162 cards or 162 tiles, and the Ultimate Expansion is 1/3 of that. So it adds a beautiful dimension to the way the tool is read and gives a greater understanding to what's going on within the person. So I have taken 18 of the tiles from the Element tile set and 9 of the words from the Ultimate Expansion to give you a accurate understanding of how this tool works. So as I lay them out, and as the words appear, as you can see, it adds an extra dimension. So what's going on between the mind and the emotions is about being a peacemaker. What's going on between the spirit and the emotions is about being loyal. So that is how this extra dimension works. So then when it comes to the point where the tiles are then placed where they go on the board for the other ways that this tool is used and read, the words stay where they are. So then you can see when they're moved what's the most important quadrant, what's the most important element, what's the most important pathway. And that's how this Ultimate Expansion enhances our tools, card decks, and tile sets. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe and check out our other videos. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below or visit our website at bodyofenergy19.com. Thank you.